Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo by Beyonce on guitar. We'll begin by identifying the essential chords you'll need to master. Next, we'll explore a simple yet effective strumming pattern that captures the song's signature feel. Finally, I'll guide you through the overall structure, enabling you to play along confidently. This step-by-step approach will help you master the song in no time. The heart of Halo lies in four fundamental open chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are very common and accessible for most guitarists. Focus on achieving seamless transitions between each chord, as this fluidity is crucial for the song's melodic flow. Both the verse and chorus sections primarily utilize a repeating four-chord progression, which we will detail. For the strumming, a versatile pattern like down, down, up, down, up works beautifully to capture the song's gentle rhythm. This pattern provides a steady and engaging foundation. It is important to maintain a consistent tempo throughout your playing, as this ensures a polished sound. Try to emphasize the downbeats slightly to give the rhythm a strong, grounded feel. Practice slowly, then gradually increase your speed. Halo generally follows a classic verse-chorus structure, including a distinct bridge section for variety. Once you are comfortable with the chords and strumming, practice each part individually. Start with the verse, then the chorus, and finally the bridge. Gradually combine these sections for a complete performance. Listening to Beyonce's original recording will greatly help you capture the song's emotional depth and precise timing. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.